how to force your Samsung to power off when the screen is locked. So here, if I try to power off, it asks for the pin. So to force it to turn off, what you can do is press and hold on the side button and the volume down button. So press on both keys like this, press and hold for around 10 seconds. So press and hold for around 10 seconds. Once you see the screen turn off, let's go off the button and it should turn off. Now if the phone refuses to switch off, then another thing that you can do is allow the phone to drain all the power. So let it drains the battery, and after that it will automatically shut down. So if you fail to force it to shut down by buttons, just allow the phone to drain the batteries by itself. Thank you for watching this video.